Yeah, hold on. Elizabeth, you want to do that again? One more time? You okay in there, Catherine?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm the one that gets squished, you know. I am the one. Wow! You know what? It's actually not really hard. Oh, wow!
There goes the fort.
Now look what you did. Now I'm squished.
I think it's time to go upstairs now.
Did you take pictures?
I did.
When it was falling down?
I took a picture while it was falling down. Elizabeth? Uh-oh. What happened? Can you say uh-oh again? Say uh-oh.
Ow.
All right, everybody say night-night. Bye-bye.
Night. Bye-bye.
Elizabeth, can you wave bye-bye to Mommy? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
All done.